Traffic on Interstates 35 and 80 resumed on Friday morning after state officials closed portions of the highway due to poor travel conditions, which were related to a winter storm on Wednesday. The storm dumped up to a foot of snow in parts of the state, causing numerous traffic accidents and other weather-related headaches. As they had much of the day on Thursday, Iowans resumed digging out of the storm on Friday morning. Iowa State professor John Connolly, a native Bostonian, is no stranger to heavy snow, but said he'd prefer to have more fun in it.
I think I'd rather be skiing or having a snowball fight than doing this, but at least it's some exercise.
Steve Leffelholtz has only been in Ankeny for 4 weeks. He came from the Quad Cities, which did not escape Wednesday's storm.
A couple of years ago, I lived in the Quad Cities, and we had about 16, 18 inches that year, and it was pretty nasty. So it was, the worst thing about that one was that it was not wet, it was dry, and then it was windy like it was yesterday, so it drifted up like 2-3 feet that I was going through.
For some area business owners, snow business meant good business.
It does help that it's light. Yesterday it was really wet and heavy and it wasn't moving very easy, but today it's lightened up as it got cold last night, and it's much better today. Our business, we typically handle about 40 to 50 clients on a snow like this.